Morning, class. Okay, okay. In continuation with maths, good morning. Mute your mics. In continuation with maths, factors and multiples, today we are going to start another exercise, that is 6.7. And in this exercise, we are going to study one formula. Open page 79 and see the formula written there. Under the heading relationships of LCM and HCF, can you see one formula written there? LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Yes, we are going to study this formula and today we are going to solve the sums related to it. So basically what this formula indicates, LCM we already know. What is LCM? Lowest common multiple. And what is HCF? That is also we know, that is highest common factor. Angelina, mute your mic. LCM is lowest common multiple, HCF is highest common factor. Now when we multiply both these numbers, we get product of two numbers. Okay, now there are three things in this formula. One is HCF, one is LCM, and the other is product. Now what type of questions will come related to this? There will be any two things given to you and you have to find the third thing. Angelina, mute your mic. Now maybe HCF is given to you, LCM is given to you, and product of two numbers is in the formula. That means one number is given to you and you must be asked to find the other number. So basically the questions will be based on this formula only. Product of two numbers are given. So you must be asked to find the product or you must be asked to find the other number. So let's see how we have to do it. Come on to exercise 6.7, question number 1. Read it in your mind. Question 1 says the HCF of two numbers is 5 and their LCM is 280. If one of them is 35, find the other. Now look at the formula. LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers here. Remember, two numbers. This is the formula. So in the question, LCM is given. This means this LCM is given to you in the question. Then HCF is given to you. And out of two numbers, one number is given to you. And what is asked? The other number is asked. Now read the question again. The HCF of two numbers is 5. Means HCF of two numbers. HCF is given 5. And their LCM is 280. LCM is also given, that is 280. If one of the number is 35, means out of these two numbers, any one number is given to you which is 35, find the other number. Is the question clear to you? Now question will be these types only. Out of the formula, any three things must be given to you and the fourth thing you have to find. Okay, so how we are going to do it? Let's understand. First thing that you are going to write is HCF of two numbers. Whatever is given in the question, you write it accordingly. So the first line says HCF of two numbers is equal to 5. We are going to write like this. Then the second line says LCM of two numbers is equal to 280. This was also given in the question. Then what else is given in the question? First number is 35. And what we have to find out? Therefore, second number is equal to question mark, means we have to find this number. Okay, so first we are going to write the details which are given to us in the question. Three details are given to us. HCF is given, LCM is given, first number is given, and we have to find out the second number. Now, after writing the information which is given to us, we are going to write the formula. That is LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. You have to learn this formula. Very easy. On the left hand side, what comes? HCF into LCM. And on the right hand side, what comes? Product of two numbers. Now here HCF, LCM, how much is the LCM given? We have written here LCM of two numbers 280. That means under LCM we are going to write 280 into multiplication sign will be copied as it is. HCF, how much is the HCF given? 5. So we are going to write 5 here. Okay, is equal to product of two numbers is equal to what we have to find? Second number. So we are going to write here the second number. And first number we don't know. So how we are going to find it? We are going to divide the first number. Okay, so LCM number we will write here, HCF number we will write here, and to find the second number we have to divide by the first number which is given to us. This is also given 35, first number. So now we have to solve it. 5 ones are 5 and 5 sevens are 35. Now here 7 is left and here 280 is left. So let's solve this also. 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28 and 0 copied as it is. So now among these numbers what is left with us? 40. So our answer will be the second number is 40. Is it clear? The only thing you have to keep in mind is you have to know the formula, and then to find the second number we have to divide the number, the LCM and HCF, by the first number. Okay, clear? I'm going to give you the PDF also, and if you have missed out something you can see it again on YouTube. Let's come on question number 2. Question 2 says the HCF of two number is 3 and their LCM is 120. If one number is 15, find the other number. It is also exactly the same type of question. So HCF of two numbers, we are going to write in the same way. HCF of two numbers is equal to 3. Okay, then what is the another information given to us? LCM of two numbers. LCM of two numbers is equal to 120. This is given. Then first number is also given. The first number is equal to 15. And we have to find the second number. So question mark. First write the details which are given to you, and whatever you have to find out, put question mark in front of them. Then you have to write the formula. Formula is LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers, and out of these two numbers one number is already given to you and you have to find out the second number. So now we are going to write here in place of LCM. How much is the LCM given? 120. 120 we will write. Multiply sign. How much is the HCF given? 3. 3 we will write. Yes. Upon first number that is already given to us, that is 15. 15 which will be equal to the second number. Okay. Now solve this. So 3 ones are 3. 3 fives are 15. Gone. And then you know how to cut the numbers. One number in the numerator we cut, another number in the denominator we cut one by one. Then 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. 2 is left. 10, 12 minus 10, 2 is left. Carried over here, this has become 20. 5 fours are 20. Okay. So thus second number is 24. Clear? If it is not clear, I am repeating. First, write the information which is given to you in the question. Only you have to work on this formula to find another number. First you write HCF what is given, then you write LCM what is given, then you write the first number which is given to you. You have to find out the second number, so put a question mark. Then you have to write the formula. After writing the formula, put the values there. And to find the second number, we divide the LCM and HCF by the first number, cancel the digits, and finally, whatever is left with us, that is your answer. Okay, let's do one more sum. Question number 3. What it says? It says the LCM of two numbers is 180 and their HCF is 6. If one of the number is 36, find the other. Can you all do it? Okay. How much is the LCM given to us in question number 3? Yes, in place of LCM, we are going to write 180. Then in place of HCF, we are going to write 6. Then in yes. Then in place of first number, we are going to write 36. Yes. And now we have to find the second number, that is we are going to put the question mark. Okay? Information written. Then next step is formula. LCM into HCF is equal to, yes, product of two numbers. Okay, product of two numbers. Product means multiplication. What does the word product means? It means multiplication. Now you all must be thinking how ma'am is writing the one number below it. Okay, I am going to explain you that also. So let's write this. How much is the LCM? 180. Then how much is the HCF? 6. Then then we have to write 36. Mute your mic. Too much of disturbance is coming. Then we have to write the first number here. So let me explain you how the first number is coming down. Product of two numbers. Product means multiplication. Two numbers means one number is 36 into the second number. This is the formula. Now to find out the second number, what we do, we bring this number down. That is 36. This is how, that's why the first number comes in the denominator. How the first number comes in the denominator? We write the whole this formula and accordingly we work it. But no need to show this step. You can write it directly as we have done in the previous questions. Means you write here, I have showed you just to explain how the number comes in the denominator. ऐसी हवा में नहीं आ जाता है नीचे. There is a reason. We write the formula, then to find the second number, we bring the first number below the HCF and LCM. So now we are going to write is equal to second number. Solve it. 6 ones are 6 and 6 6 are 36. Then 3 are, okay, 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, 180. Okay, so 0 copied. Now what is left with us? 30. So answer, second number is 3030. I hope till now this type of sums are clear to everybody. Okay, so the fourth sum, will you all be able to do? Will you all tell me how to do? Because I don't know. I have forgot. I don't know how to do. I forgot. कुछ नहीं याद आ रहा है मैम को तो. So now you all will tell me how to solve. Okay? Chalo. So first, we are going to read the question. The LCM of two numbers is 2079. Now this is a bigger number. Pay attention. The LCM of two numbers is 2079 and their HCF is 27. If one number is 189, find the other number. First step. What is the first step, children? I forgot. You tell. Okay, we have to write the HCF. And how much is the HCF given? 2079. Okay, very good. Now, children, the second step also I forgot. What we have to write in the second step? LCM of how much is the LCM given? 27. Okay, now, children, what is the third step? I can't remember the third step. You tell. Very good, very good. First number which is given to you is 189. Now we have to find the second number, so question mark. Okay. Now we have to write the formula. What is the formula, children? Yes, LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Yes. Okay, that doesn't. Okay, okay, we are going to correct it. Doesn't matter. Okay. How much is the HCF? 27. How much is the LCM? 2079. Here it was written. Now is it okay? Chala. Now we know how we have to solve it. Tell me now. LCM. How much is the LCM given? 20 into upon is equal to second. Yes. Now cancel it. 3 threes are sorry. 3 six are 18. 3 threes are 9. 3 nines are 27. Okay. Now 9 sevens are 63. 9 twos are 18. 2 is left 27. 9 threes are 27. 9 ones are 9. Okay. Yes or no? Now by which number it will go? Let's do it here in the table of 27. How many times 189 comes? Let's multiply 27 by 7 and see. 7 sevens are 49. 4 here. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 4, 18. That means we can divide 27 and 189 directly. That means 27 ones are 27 and 27 sevens are 189. This has gone directly. Now this 7 and this number we can divide it by. Okay, is that okay? Now with this we finish our chapter and from the next week we are going to start our new chapter according to the syllabus. Okay, factors and multiples, all exercises, all sums are clear. Okay, so I'm going to give you the PDF right now. You solve and practice sums in your fair copies. Now we are going to meet in our next class. Thank you. Bye bye.